channel, Inner Wheel Club of Delhi, Civil Lines, District 301. Environment and Animal Care. A true act of compassion was shown by our club members during a recent visit to the dog shelter home at Noida. Surrounded by innocent eyes full of pain and hope, we carried love in action and donated 50 kg of rice, 7.5 kg of dalia, and 10 kg of dog food for the shelter's sick and young dogs. For those little beings who cannot speak their pain, this gesture became a voice of care and kindness. The wagging tails, the gentle licks, and the silent gratitude in those eyes were the most precious blessings received. Such noble acts remind us that humanity is not only about helping people in need, but also about extending our hands of love to everything, every creature who shares this world with us. Truly, this visit was not just a donation, it was a celebration of empathy and compassion. Another project which the Inner Wheel Club did, given effort by IWC of Delhi Civil Lines, as per the guidance of our district chairman Deepika ji, all club presidents were asked to plant 2 trees on the 10th of every month. Following her words, our club plants 2 trees on 10th of every month. Since it was also the day of Karwa Chauth, we planted these trees with the thought of women empowerment. Just like a tree gives life, shade, and hope, a woman too spreads love, care, and strength around her. These saplings are a small step towards a greener earth and a stronger tomorrow for women. May they grow tall and remind us that when a woman grows, the world blossoms. Then, Kachre ke Kanchan Tak, a beautiful initiative. From 12th to 17th October, our dedicated members led a thoughtful trash collection drive at La Tropicana, Delhi. They collected clothes, shoes, plastic bottles, newspapers, and e-waste, giving each discarded item a chance of a new life. All collected material was lovingly handed over to NGO Avakyam, a home for specially able children who turn our so-called trash into wonderful treasures, creating yoga mats, paper mache art, handbags, pouches, and even natural agarbattis made from temple flowers. Through this heartwarming initiative, we witnessed how creativity, compassion, and care can come together to make the world a cleaner, kinder place. Truly, जहाँ नियत अच्छी हो वहाँ हर कचरा भी कुछ बन जाता है खास. On Goashtami celebration at Krishna Bodham Ashram, on the sacred occasion of Gopa Ashtami, members of the Inner Wheel Club of Delhi Civil Lines, in association with the Rotary Club of Delhi Capital, visited Krishna Bodham Shankaracharya Ashram Civil Lines to celebrate this divine day with devotion and compassion. The day began with a soulful havan and puja, seeking the blessings of Lord Krishna, who on Gopashtami took the responsibility of protecting cows, symbolizing love, care, and selfless service. As part of the celebration, the club arranged food and special offerings for the cows, expressing gratitude towards these sacred beings. Adding warmth to the festival, members also distributed blankets, inner and warmers, sweets, and cash to 40 children residing and studying in the ashram, filling their hearts with joy and comfort. The celebration beautifully blended faith and service, reminding everyone that true worship lies in its spreading love and kindness to all. Thanks for viewing our channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.